The advantages of products. 1. Automatic multi-cavity production. The three working positions are at 120 degrees each, which combines the functions of injecting, blowing, and mold ejecting and enhance production efficiency. 2. We adopt advanced PLC control system, which is easy and simple for operation in the whole process. In addition, the advanced PID precision temperature control system enables the precision of the temperature to be controlled within ±1 degree Celsius. 3. We adopt famous branded hydraulic and pneumatic components from Germany and Japan. 4. The process of manufacture produces no waste, high utilization rate of raw material, as well as the yield rate of product. The whole process only requires one person to operate, and it is flexible with various conditions. 5. Bottles produced by SZCX series of automatic injection blowing molding machine have the features of even thickness, good precision, and high hermetical on the bottle neck, bottle top, and thread. The variation of bottle weight is within 1%.